My aquarium update. Still, all the fish are doing great. Let's see where my puffer fish is. There's my sunken fish. There he is. Yeah, he's not coming out. Red tail. I don't know what kind. There's my fish tank. And if you want a review of my new house, just send me a comment or a personal message.